Give yourselves all a hand for investing in yourself.
One thing that I took from it yesterday was, if you want more money, you must educate your people about money.
Thank you so much. That really touched me. You guys appreciate your energy and your commitment to being here and your commitment to being better.
Our main goal is with this, and it's to completely bring the culture to a different level, to bring our sales to a different level, and just the coordination of it in a simplistic way.
Hi, I'm Sloan Jackson. I'm coming all the way from Jamaica, and I'm here with my team to be a part of this 10X boot camp, just to really experience what it is, get some real good detail, and get some ideas for the future.
You're face to face with everybody else that's like you, you're able to make more personal interactions and relationship with them, and there's a whole other level of accountability when you invest the money and the time to show up and do the process.
I'd like to now bring up to the stage the mentor to all, Mr. Grant Cardone.
So we're running a business. Everything that we share with you, we are doing every day. We're failing with it, we're succeeding with it, we're figuring it out, but we're using it.
With this boot camp, they can take their business not only to the next level, but to 10 levels down the road.
The first reason to advertise is not to get a customer. The first reason to advertise is for the internal.
How do I grow my business when everybody seems so stressed and overworked?
I understand they're $10,000 less. Let me show you why we're still a better deal.
You can actually collect leads without them ever having to visit a website.
I don't want to call your fiance. I already got her number.
Hi, welcome to Power Sports. I'm Joffrey, and what information can I get you? Just looking for your best price on a motorcycle.
All they're doing right now is they're bringing the customer into the process. A lot of times an objection could be a stop based on the process that you have your salespeople taking your customer through, right?
While you guys eat lunch, first of all, I want to thank everybody for being here, for being VIPs that you are, very important people. Probably ought to call you VIEs, very important entrepreneurs.
My question to you would be, if you had to start all over again, do you know what your first move would be, what industry you would choose? Would you still go the auto sales route initially? Or
Definitely would not do that. What would I do today? I would look for some business that has a problem. It's got to have a big problem. It's got to have volumes, and it's got to have a margin.
I'm in Cardone University. I'm in the ambassador program. I feel like I get a lot of stuff from you, and I don't feel like a lot of people give you stuff besides money. So I actually got a gift for you I'd like to present to you.
We're gonna play a little game with you to find out how much you got out of yesterday.
One thing that I took from it yesterday was, if you want more money, you must educate your people about money.
And I took a lot of great things away yesterday, but one that sticks in my mind is that you have to put your attention on the revenue line and not on the expense line. You cannot expense your way to success.
We want to help you. I need you as part of my legacy, okay? I can't be an uncle without nephews and nieces. I cannot be an uncle, a good uncle, without helping people actually change their condition in life. So that you say, hey, you know what? Grant Cardone did more for me than my own family did. Hey, thank you again for being here. Give Jared a big hand, huh? Come on.